12 seconds later.
New cube.
Let's unbox this. Huge thanks for Rubik Cube Sri Lanka for sending this cube. If you want to buy this or any other cube, you should check out Rubik Cube SL. They have wide collection of cubes at very reasonable price. Overall, it's fantastic place for both beginners and advanced solvers that I highly recommend. I always buy cubes from this place. Let's open.
This is Moyu meilong pyraminx.
Wow, nice magnetic filling. Tips are a little bit slow, but turning is very nice. I highly recommend this for any beginner and advanced level pyraminx solvers. This is one of the best budget pyraminx in the world.
Again, if you want to buy this or any other cubes, you should check out Rubik Cube Sri Lanka.
Links are in the description. Cuner cutting is great.
I can turn fast on this pyraminx. Let's do a solve. Seven seconds.
Little bit dry.
Let's put some loops on here.
Let's do another solve. Check out Rubik Cube Sri Lanka for amazing puzzles like this.
Bye.